Parang alam ko kanino yan.
Ako, malalaman niyo sino to. May hiya siya for sure. One,
Hindi.
maganda yung sulat. Hello, Ash. It was nice seeing and meeting you again. Aww.
Baliw.
Wala pa nga. Okay. I hope you enjoyed your event with us. Your lovely fans. For sure memorable to sa'yo. For sure memorable to sa'yo. Kasi syempre, minsan na lang yung gantong event. Kaya pinilit ko na pumunta for you.
Anong app yun? Ano, old road.
Sana masaya ka palagi. Good luck sa journey mo. We are always here for you no matter what. We got your back. Di ka namin iiwan, okay? At kung saan ka masaya, support din kami. Take care always and God bless. I love you so much. Wow!
Di ba sweet yung mga
Iba kali pa rin yung mga letter.
Hindi, natatawa ko kanino gal.
Kali pa rin yung mga letter.
Kung kanino man yan, sana hindi siya mahal.
Makulit ka. Hi Ash. Don't dead mama to? Ha? Ah!
Kaka-aadya mo yan, be.
Don't lose your precious smile. Why? Because your smile is one of the prettiest smile that I've ever seen.
Kinilig, kinilig.
I'm always rooting for you na. Alam mo yan. We will wait until you reach your goals and until we see you performing on a bigger stage. Always be safe, healthy, and syempre happy. We love you.
Ito meron ba ito?
Neo? Di ko maamin. Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin.
X.
Di ko mais. Sa pagtulog, ikaw ang panaginip.
Nakasama ko lang guys.
Malabong man aking pag-iisip sa pakinggan sigaw nitong damdamin. Ako'y ulitin mo kahit hindi pa din. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y mali.